One thing about my husband is he's Korean, but he can't really speak Korean, and he doesn't like Korean food. Such a deal breaker. He also doesn't watch Korean dramas, but recently he started watching Attorney Woo, and now he was like, Ava, I really want some kimbap. And I'm like, you want Korean food? I'm so excited because I'm about to go pick up some amazing kimbap for him. Can I please get a bulgogi kimbap, a spicy pork kimbap? And I'll do the tofu bites as well.
Do you want the set of 4?
Yeah, I'll do the set of 4. This is everything I got, and he's so excited. All right. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. It's just like fancier kimbap than like the regular home style version.
Yeah, it's not like the street kimbap. Oh, my turn. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna try the bulgogi one. Stop it. I get what you're saying. There's not enough sesame oil in it. I want a lot of sesame oil in my kimbap.
I just like wanted like more like authentic Korean kimbap. This is like healthy.
Like, how do
basic
you
girl
know?
And it's like 13, 14 bucks. Get the hell out of here. Come on, it should be like half that price.